Hey guys, so today we are doing a standing abs workout, and I absolutely love these exercises because they really allow you to burn more calories because you're up standing, moving your body and working more muscle groups. And if you're just starting out to working out or fitness, this is a perfect workout for you because you don't have to be on the floor. You're not like cranking your neck and twisting and turning and doing those traditional crunches that can be really tough and also cause injury. So we are gonna do these exercises completely standing. You don't need any equipment. And you guys, we are starting in 1 week from today, the Summer Shape Up series, and this is a great way to really strengthen your core and get ready for that challenge. And if you're not signed up yet, I'm gonna put the link in the description below. You guys also put the link for the video. Go check it out. We're gonna have 8 weeks, a full 8 weeks. This is our biggest challenge we've ever done of workouts, recipes, tons of motivation, and a chance for you to win a trip with your bestie to Mexico just for doing the challenge. That's crazy. So go check it out, sign up as soon as you're done with this workout. And if you are ready, sweat the thumbs up and let's get started. All right, guys, so I cannot say this enough. With every ab workout I ever do, I always want to remind you, you have to lock in your core. So really with any exercises you're doing, if you focus more on the muscles that you are trying to work, the more they'll work for you. But especially with the core, since it really is the foundation of all of our strength and like our powerhouse, you gotta lock it in. So just imagine someone is coming up to you and like punching you in the gut. What would you do with your muscle? How would your body respond? Lock that in. You can continue to breathe and talk and move, but my core is engaged and tight. Keep it that way the entire time. We're gonna start turn to the side. I want you to step back with your right leg and reach up with your right arm. So you're extending that leg back, really finding that reach and stretch through the core. And then you're gonna exhale, just kick to tap your toes. Step back and kick. We go back and up. Let's do 10, 9, exhale, squeeze your core. For 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's switch sides. So step that foot down, kick it back. Again, really focus on that stretch and reach it up. Core is tight. You're gonna kick, take it back, up and back. You'll notice in my standing leg, I take a little bend in the knee, not like a full lunge, but just that little bend. Good, exhale. Little balance challenge here as well. 4 more, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna alternate. So you're gonna reach, opposite hand, kick up, step it down, kick and step. So you're not finding the big arch here, but you are lifting that leg up. Good. Now if you guys haven't done the motivation challenge that we just finished about a week or so ago, but you're planning on doing the Summer Shape Up challenge, go check out that motivation challenge. It is gonna be just what you need to get started, get motivated and inspired before we kick things off on July 9th for the Summer Shape Up. And it was so cool hearing all of your stories after those of you that did it finished, just really seeing the changes that you made through that motivation challenge. And it's nice to do something that's a little bit different than just a typical workout. Good, tap. 8, 7, 6, stand up nice and tall. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, shake it off. You can see like your heart rate's already getting up and we're not like running around like crazy or crunching like crazy, but it's still working because you're really working your whole body. It's good stuff. All right, so we're gonna do a little deadlift with a rotation. Deadlifts are one of those moves that are tricky because everyone does them for your butt. They're great for your booty, but they're even better for your lower abs. Without weights, we can totally do it. If you have weights, you wanna add them, you can also do that. But you're gonna hinge forward, take a little bend in your knees, draw your belly button in, reach your arms down in front, and I want you to imagine you have like 50-pound dumbbells. They are heavy, they're pulling your entire body. Is engaged and working as you come up to stand, and then rotate, twist to the right, lower down, exhale to the left. We go down and twist, down for 2, and up. Good, down, down, up and twist, down, down, up and twist. Sit that booty back. Little bend in the knees. You don't have to touch the floor. It's not about going down far. It's about engaging that backside as you move. And then drawing the belly button in toward the spine and up the back as you come to standing. Bring the weight into your heels and out of your toes. Down and twist. Good. Down and twist. Let's go. 8, 7, 6. And if you're using a weight, again, just grab it and keep it close to your side body as you lift and twist. Last one here. Good, let's do one more for good measure. Both arms in, and exhale, shake it off. Nice job. Okay, so we're gonna do a little knee drive. Anytime you're bringing your knee up toward your hips or that midline, you are working your abs. So we're gonna step back in a little bit of a lunge. Again, we're not like deep in a lunge, hinged forward. And I want you to imagine there is a string around your knee and it's going through your center of your core. So as you lift that knee up, that string is being pulled through your belly button, your knee pulling, lifting, and then it lets go and goes back up and back, up and back. Good. Drive that knee up. Weight is in your heel of your standing leg. You can add the arms or you can really just keep them at center, whatever is more comfortable. We have 8, 7, squeeze the abs, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch feet, back and in. Good. Find your rhythm, drive it up. You got this. Keep it moving. 8, 7, 6. You can take it slower if you need to as well. 3, 2, last one. Exhale, shake it out. Those legs are getting some work too. Again, that is why I love these exercises, because you work more than just your core, but you're able to really focus on those low abs. Side lunge, you're gonna bring your hands down to the side, toward your knee. Exhale, stand and reach across the body. Bring it down and reach. Feel that stretch all the way from your right hip up toward your left rib cage. Exhale. Good. How are we feeling? Getting it? You got this. Down and up. Come on, girls. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switching sides to the left and up across. Again, you always have that option to add weights in. If you do, I would just take a light dumbbell in my hands and pull it up and toward the knee. Otherwise, hands together. Focus on that stretch. Focus on drawing the belly in, contracting the muscles. Exhale. Let's do 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, let it go. Come to center. All right, I want you to march it out. Right to left, pulling down. Find that breath. This is our final little push for these standing abs. So you can stay right here, or you can come with me for a little cardio burst that is gonna work your abs like nobody's business. You gotta focus on driving those knees up high. Pull them up. Good. Get them high as you can. I want you to lock into your memory how high they're going right now. Like almost to my chest. That's pretty high. Now we're gonna just pick up the pace. It's gonna not go quite as high, but I want you to try. Up, up. High knees, come on. Let's go. Yes, you can, this is it. Get them higher, get them faster. We have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let it go, shake it off. Nice job, you guys. Woo. All right, guys, so I know it is like the middle of summer, but that one got me. There's just a few minutes. My heart rate is up. I am sweating. This is an amazing workout to do, again, because you can slow it down, take your time, make it a little bit more contracted and controlled, or you can pick up the pace, make it more cardio-based. You can add in weights, but you can absolutely do it wherever you're at without equipment and get a solid core workout. And if you're feeling real spunky today, I want you to do this 3 more times and comment below, "Oh, my abs," when you're done. Make sure you sign up for the Summer Shape Up series. The link is down below for you guys. We start in 1 week on July 9th. It's never too late to sign up, so get signed up. Join us for our biggest, best challenge ever. And don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. So I'll see you guys next week for another awesome workout and the first one of the Summer Shave Up series. Woo!